Today we will be making these colorful polka dot ladybugs. Ladybugs are a great craft for little ones because they can use them to practice counting. You will need colored construction paper, one sheet of any color for your bug, one sheet of green for your leaves, and one small piece of black for the head and legs. Scissors, a black marker, googly eyes, and a glue stick. To make the body, fold a piece of construction paper in half. Then open it back up and cut on the folded line. Then take two pieces and fold them in half again. You can fold lengthwise for a long bug body or fold widthwise for a wide-shaped bug. Then insert the two folded pieces into one another, like the pages of a book. On the top side of your folded paper, draw a half circle, oval, or rectangular shape, depending on what shape you want for your bug. Starting and finishing at the folded edge. The folded edge will be the center of your bug. Cut along the drawn line through all 4 layers of the paper at the same time. Open up the cut pieces and you should have 2 identical shapes. Refold along the crease and place the 2 halves next to each other with the 2 creases touching. From black construction paper, cut the bug's legs in a shape for the head. Glue the legs under each body piece and glue the head to both pieces by holding the pieces together. Glue the eyes on top of your bug's head. To make the leaf that the bug will sit on, fold a sheet of green construction paper lengthwise in half and draw half of a leaf shape starting from the folded edge. Cut out the shape and open to reveal a symmetrical leaf. You can try all kinds of different shapes. Then glue the underside of your bug to the leaf. Use markers to decorate your bug. And that's it! Now you have an adorable ladybug friend.